Welcome everybody to this video. I'm just gonna make this video very quick. In this video, I just want to introduce you to some of the online platform where you can sell your app, or you can buy source code. Sells my app. Okay, so this is the platform where you can sell your app. Sells my app. So yeah, there are so many. You have future, you have for Android, for Apple, iPhone. You have Android, Unity. So these are some of them. There are some other things here. When you have, they will tell you single app license, $49. Sorry, multiple. It means when you buy the apps and when you buy the source code, you release it only once. Original app source code. When you buy it for $49, which is single app license, you release the source code only once. But multiple app license for $149, you can release it so many times. So don't worry, I'm going to post a link down below. Sell my app. Okay, you can say sell your app or game template, reskinning, or which one you choose. So you can either sell or you can either buy. So the next one here is Fliptopia. So you see there are a lot of them here. If you go to the site, my internet is taking my machine is too slow this time around. I don't know what the hell is wrong with the machine. It's taking a long time to load. Oh my god. Yeah, easy way to buy and sell app securely. So this is where you can buy app and you can say yeah, buy app, yeah, sell app. So these are the two online platforms that I found. So they are just let me share. So if you have any comment, let me hear what you think of it. Love the video, share with friends, and until then, if you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and see you.